In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send meeting invite on Zoom. First, open your web browser and go to the Zoom website. If you're not already signed in, log into your account so you can access your meeting tools. Once you're on your Zoom homepage, look for the navigation menu and choose Meetings. This is where all your scheduled sessions live, and where you'll set up a new one to invite people to. Next, select Schedule a Meeting. This opens the scheduling page where you'll add the key details. Give your meeting a clear topic so invitees instantly recognize what it's about. Choose the date, start time, and expected duration, and double-check your time zone to avoid confusion for anyone in different regions. If this is something you'll host regularly, you can mark it as recurring here so you don't need to recreate it each time. For security, keeping a passcode on and enabling the waiting room are good defaults, especially for public or large meetings. You can also add a brief description to set expectations, like the agenda or any prep work. Under video and audio options, decide whether hosts and participants start with video on or off, and whether attendees can join by computer audio, phone, or both. These choices help your invite match the style of your session, whether it's a quick sync or a formal presentation. When everything looks right, scroll down and click Save. This locks in the meeting and takes you to a summary page with all the details you just configured. From here, sending the invite is straightforward. Scroll down until you find the button labeled Copy Invitation and click it. A small window will pop up showing the full meeting invitation. It includes the join link, the meeting ID and passcode, optional dial-in numbers, and a brief set of instructions for attendees. To put all of that on your clipboard, click Copy Meeting Invitation. You won't see anything change on the page, but behind the scenes the entire invitation text is now copied and ready to paste. At this point, open your email, calendar event, or messaging app and paste the invitation into your message. If you want to keep things concise, you can paste just the join link and the passcode, but the full invitation is helpful for guests who prefer to dial in by phone or need extra connection details. Before you send, give everything a quick review for the correct date, time zone, and meeting title. And that's it. You've scheduled a Zoom meeting, saved it, copied the invitation, and you're ready to share it with your participants.